Hello guys, Merry Christmas! Today's video is sponsored by Delicious Desserts. Would like you to support us by actually visiting our store link. Please check the description box on how to visit our store and check out what we have in stock for you for Christmas. Without further ado, let's start this video. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make Italian macaron. This process is easy and very quick to make, but more technical than the French macaron I showed you earlier on my channel. I'm going to be showing you my ingredients, which are icing sugar, almond flour, my American color, here I'm using navy blue, egg white, sugar and water. I'm going to start by mixing my icing sugar and my almond flour together, and I'm going to stir it with my whisk so that it would incorporate properly. Please note that this is already sifted, so I'm just combining both of them together and setting it aside. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it to somebody who needs it. Let's continue the video. My egg here I divided into two. Please note that the recipe will be in the description box below. So I poured half into my almond and icing sugar mixture, so I'm going to stir it and ensure it combines totally. Please note that you have to have power to do this. You have to stir it very well. I'm going to mix my sugar and my water together and take it to the stove for it to boil and dissolve properly. Then the remaining half of the egg white, I'm going to put it in the mixer for it to whip to become a meringue consistency. Then pour in my sugar and water that has been boiling. After adding my color to the batter, I'm going to start folding in my meringue one at a time. I'm not just going to fold all together. I'm going to take it bit by bit, let me say in 3 batches. So I'm just going to mix it. See the way I'm mixing it, I'm not mixing it anyhow. So you just follow this process and ensure it incorporates properly. You're gonna mix it till you can have a tape. Like when you let it drop, it can make a tape, or you can make the shape of 8 without the ribbon cutting off. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So that's to show you that the consistency is perfect and it's not too runny and it's not too hard. So I'm going to secure my parchment paper, and it is time to pipe my macaron batter onto my parchment paper. When piping this, please note that you pipe heads on, you don't pipe from the sides like I instructed in my earlier video on how to make French macaron. If you haven't seen that video, please check the eye icon above or the description box below for the link on the video. So I'm going to pipe all my macaron to my parchment paper. Please note that to take off my piping bag, I wiggle it a little so I can remove my nozzle away from the macaron. So I'm just going to pipe my macaron onto my parchment paper. Then I'm going to move to the next step. After I'm done piping, I'm just going to tap my pan on the table, and I'm going to use my wooden skewer to work on any holes on my macaron. Do not pipe your macarons so close as it will affect the results. After this, I'm going to set it aside for 30 minutes to rest. Then this is what it should look like. It should look a little discolored. It should be matte at the top. Then when you touch it, it wouldn't stain your hand. So that's how you know it is ready. At this point, I'm going to take it to the oven to bake for 15 minutes, nothing more than that, at 160 degrees Celsius. Please note that I'm using an electric fan oven. So this is what the macaron looks like. Perfect. A little discolored, yes, because my color wasn't very sharp, because this was navy blue. It was supposed to give me navy blue, but it gave me sky blue, and imagine sky blue entering fire. So this is what it looks like. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and bye bye for now.